Hello, welcome back. So in the previous video we solved a couple of challenges. We solved the reverse string, we solved is palindrome, and today we are going to solve the FizzBuzz. So I've created the entry files, the index.js file, which is actually empty with a couple of comments, and index.html with an heading, which is a simple heading, and I've started a live server. If you have Visual Code installed on your machine, so you should you can preview it on a live server. Right click, scroll down to live server. I've already started the live server. I can preview it on my browser, so this is what I'm currently having. So what are we required on this challenge is actually simple. So we are supposed to print numbers from 0 to 100. For multiples of 3 we print fizz, for multiples of 5 we print buzz, for multiples of both 3 and 5 we print FizzBuzz. So let's start. So to approach this problem, we actually required to create a loop. So I'm going to create a for loop. I'm going to start with my iterator with I, and I'm going to initialize it with 1 because I want to start from 1, less than or equal to, because I want 100 also to be inclusive because it's one of the requirements here. So I'm going to remove this one to 100. So let's actually see if it works. So we can actually log I, see what we get. So go here in your browser window and click inspect, go to console. Yeah, we get 1 to 100. So the next requirement, we actually supposed to, for multiples of 3 we are supposed to print fizz. So I'm going to remove this one. So I'm going to create an if condition. So if I modulus of 3 is strictly, I'm going to use a strict operator to 0, I'm supposed to print fizz. Okay, fizz, right? So in that save, let me actually preview. So I'm supposed to create an else statement, so that's why we are not getting the result that we expect. So for now I'm just going to create an else block. Let me for instance log I, see what is happening. Yeah, you see, so we are getting fizz for multiples of 3. So what about the multiples of 5? So that's the second requirement. So I'm going to remove this one for now. So for multiples of 5 we are supposed to print buzz. So I'm just going to else if I modulus of 5 equal to 0, what are we supposed to do? Log buzz. Okay, save. Let's see what is happening. We're getting FizzBuzz. So it's actually okay. So for multiples of both we're supposed to print FizzBuzz. So I'm going to create another else if I, we are starting them, we're comparing both 3 and 5. If it's a multiple of 3 and 5 we print FizzBuzz. So if I modulus of 3 is equal to 0, and we are going to use and I modulus of 5 equal to 0, just create a bit of space here. We print FizzBuzz. Okay, just actually copy this string because I'm lazy, can't type it. So FizzBuzz, else we return I, the current iteration. So just create an else statement. We log the current iteration, we log I, save. Yeah, right. So for multiples of 3, you actually start from the top and explain. 3 fizz, 6 buzz, fizz. So it's good to scroll down, fizz buzz, and that is how you actually solve that challenge. So let me know if you have any other concerns or any other ways of solving this problem. That is it from me. So there's a couple of ways that you can actually improve on this solution. You can actually, instead of using a multiple if statements, you can actually use a switch, which is more concise to me. Anyway, every developer has his own way of solving, but this is the easiest way that you can approach the problem. So I'll be uploading videos like this soon. So I'm actually if you've not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like and a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.